Welcome to South Carolina's Aeronautical Training Center here at Trident Technical College in Charleston, South Carolina. As technology advances, airlines and aircraft manufacturers have realized a critical need exists for avionics electronics technicians, or more commonly known as avionics techs. Avionics is a mix of aviation electronics. What we do is we work on the electrical components on the aircraft.
You repair things, you work with your hands a lot. It's very electronics heavy. I always tell people it's digital and electronics type systems on an aircraft. Avionics really deals with all the interconnectedness between those systems and how to repair and troubleshoot and remove and replace those systems.
I was fascinated with the idea of planes, but never thought I would actually be working on them until I explored that it was like a viable option here. Now it's something that I love, and it's like a daily part of my life.
They teach theory as well as you get your hands-on experience in the labs, and you learn how to use tools, and I think it would really benefit my future a lot.
What we have them doing is working with a lot of high-tech equipment. We get a lot of input from our aeronautical sponsors, as far as what equipment they use, and we're trying to teach the students using that same type of equipment. We're teaching them how to use oscilloscopes to read digital languages. We're teaching them how to work different power supplies so we can look at power problems on the aircraft. The newest tools that are out there, we make use of to help our students better understand the things you can't see, like electricity.
We learn different things like what a resistor is, capacitors, learn different things like radars and antennas, flight systems. We essentially learn how the pilot flies the plane so that we know how to fix the components of their plane.
I really like the instructors. They take time with the students. If you don't understand something, they will come over and help.
The instructors are very hands-on, very personable, very passionate about their careers and about passing on the knowledge to us.
Trident Tech has definitely prepared me for the real world. It makes me valuable, not just here, but really anywhere. This type of job in the avionics allows you to travel to basically whatever state you want, because every state has an airport and airports are needed.
When our students graduate our program, they're at the top of their game when it comes to electrical troubleshooting and installation. They're able to exceed the expectations of their future employers.
It's so interesting, the different fields that you can go into, and then you realize how intricate planes really are. And it's not just a big piece of metal that flies. There's so many little components that go into making that one operation happen. So I think it's just fascinating, really.